Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to Clayful Tour. Guess what? We are in Kashmir. Yep, the land of snow and straight up magic. This is day 1 of our Kashmir trip in March. So, we had a super early flight from Bangalore at 7 am. I booked a window seat and it was so worth it. The view of the mountains from above, literal heaven. We landed at Srinagar airport around 12 and yeah, the security is super tight. Cause it's a military airport. Which makes total sense. But remember, no photos or videos allowed on the runway, so don't even try it. We grabbed a cab and started our tour. On the way, we passed Zero Bridge. Also, heads up, the airport's like 30 minutes from the main city, so plan your arrival wisely. Famous Dal Lake, OMG, it's so pretty. It's called the Lake of Flowers and jewel in the crown of Kashmir. And no joke, it lives up to the hype. The shoreline is like 15.5 km long. I'll show you more about Dal Lake in next video, so stay tuned. Alright, our garden hopping began. There are so many Mughal gardens here and they are all giving major aesthetic vibe. First stop, Nehru Botanical Garden. Guys, this place is a vibe. Over 1 lakh ornamental plants and gorgeous lake. Entry is just 30 rupees for Indians and 100 for foreigners. We walked around, soaked in the greenery, and yeah, local were out with their fam, just chilling. It's that kind of peaceful here. Also, April is tulip season, so if you are planning a trip, maybe aim for that. You will thank me later. We grabbed some momo and salad, then head to our next stop. So say hi to Chashme Shahi, aka the Royal Spring. This one's special. It was discovered by Rupa Bhavani, a Kashmiri saint, and the water here is said to be having healing power. No joke, even Pandit Nehru used to drink it. People literally bring bottle to fill up the spring water, and it flows all through the garden in little streams. Super calming. Tickets are just 30 rupees for adults and 15 for kids. It's open from March to November. If you are around, go here, seriously, taste the spring water. Spring and autumn are ideal for visit with pleasant weather and blooming flowers. Next stop, Nishat Bagh or the Garden of Bliss. Wow, it was exactly that. It's right by Dal Lake and the views are unreal. So many people were dressing up in Kashmir outfit for pics, couple, friends, solo shoots, and yeah, we did too. Just remember to bargain, we totally overpaid. Yep, compared to others, the garden's full of flowers, fountains and heritage trees. Even though it was March and not fully bloomed yet, it was still so pretty. We stayed for like 1.5 hours just walking, clicking pics and soaking in it. April's supposed to be a peak season here, so if you can, go then. Last garden of the day, Shalimar Bagh, aka the place of love. Sounds cute, right? Near the garden, there are many small shops selling things like quick food, ice cream and cold drinks and snack. It is a place you should definitely visit if you go to Kashmir. So it's got this long water stream running down the middle and 2 old buildings, Diwan-e-Am and Diwan-e-Khans. One was for regular people to meet the emperor and the other was for VIP. Fancy match? But real talk, it was kind underwhelming. We went in the afternoon and some renovations were happening. The fountains were dry, the streams weren't flowing, and it just didn't hit as hard as the others. Still, the mountains view were gorgeous, and I would say go in April or May when the garden is full of bloom. Entries just for 30 for adults and 15 for kids. Okay all, now for the real adventure of the day, Shri Adi Shankaracharya Temple. It's literally up on the hill, and to get there, you gotta climb like 263 steps. I'm not kidding, and we made it. At the top, the view of Srinagar and Dal Lake is breathtaking. Like totally Instagram worth, but plot twist, no phones or cameras allowed inside the temple, so you gotta just experience it. The temple is over 2500 years old, dedicated to my favorite Lord Shiva. The darshan of the sacred Shivalingam is incredibly powerful, filling you with energy and inner calm. The atmosphere here is charged with devotion and positive vibes, making it a must-visit for everyone seeking spiritual uplift. And this place is not accessible who have knee or arthritis related issue. This place has toilet facility too. Equally moving is the Tapasya Sthal, meditation site, a Adi Shankaracharya where the great sage has meditated. If you ever visit or go in the morning or evening, the weather is cool and the energy is extreme. I had an unforgettable experience visiting the powerful temple. Must visit destination when you visit Kashmir. Although we missed Pari Mahal, which offers stunning view of Srinagar and Dal Lake, we enjoyed exploring the city and its culture. I highly recommend visiting Kashmir and exploring its beauty. And that's wrap up day 1. We drove past Dal Lake again. OMG. Trust me, what a day. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, drop your question or travel tips in the comments, and share this vlog with your travel buddies. From the car window, I saw a bit of Kashmir village life and finally got into our hotel. Funny story, we actually booked a different room, but since the hotel was almost empty, I asked the receptionist to upgrade us and she said yes. We got a better room with a clean toilet and even a welcome drink. That's Kashmiri Kawa. Dinner was included. We had rice, dal, some sides, salad and a little dessert to end the night. And yeah, we finished our first day tour in Kashmir. That's it guys, this was our day 1 in Kashmir. So subscribe to get notification on my next video and please like and comments down if you have any question which I promise to honestly answer. And share this video. Can't wait to take you along for day 2. It's gonna be even more fun. Love you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.